Ladies and gentle beings, sewer mutants of all ages, we of the Monty Python Society of Penn State proudly present the many historical deaths of Julius Caesar. The 300 Spartans are a well-known story. Their military prowess has been spoken of in many places, but few speak favorably of their sense of direction. Witness the following. So I have decided that we should work out some negotiation with this whole murdering me in the Senate thing. I don't think it's good for the Republic. Do any of you think it's good for the Republic? This is ridiculous. We're trying to hold a Senate.
This is Sparta!
This is Rome. Sparta's hundreds of miles. I mean, for one thing, you don't even look like Sparta. I've met Spartans. Sparta